Okay, I've got a final demonstration that I want to do on the master model methods. This is another pull technique, like the insert into new part. This one is simply called insert part, and it starts from a blank part. So you have to create a blank part in SolidWorks and then say insert part. From here, I'm going to find the mouse master model finished and open this up. And don't click in the graphics area. If you do, you'll put this somewhere other than the origin. So I'll just come over here and make sure to turn on solid bodies and turn off anything else. But I want you to take a look at these options because you can bring in solid bodies, surface bodies, axes, planes, cosmetic threads, absorbed sketches, unabsorbed sketches, custom properties, coordinate systems, model dimensions, whole wizard data. So you've got a whole lot of stuff that you can bring in when you use the insert part feature. It's a whole lot better than anything else, really, aside from the fact that it takes a lot longer to set up. It just gives you a lot of options. What you should note in here is that not all of these tools allow you to transfer surface bodies. Most of them are stuck on solid bodies. For example, the split feature will not let you publish surface bodies. Only the insert into new part and insert part features will allow you to bring surface bodies from one part to another. This is an important distinction, and it's one that will probably tip the scales in preference of this insert part feature. The other features, such as split, may be easier to use and much more convenient, but insert part is by far more powerful. Notice at the bottom you've got two other options. Locate part, so you can use a move copy feature immediately attached to the insert part feature to reposition the body if you want to do that. And maybe most importantly, you can break the link to the original part. Now, with the other body types, you can also break the link, but it's more of an unintentional sort of break. This is something that really allows you to put a body in here or a series of bodies and have the features of the original body be native to the current part. So let's just insert this part. You'll notice that it inserts the entire thing. So what you need to do from here is select the bodies that you don't want and delete. Now, one thing that you can do is you can save this part. And I'll put this in a new folder called Insert Part. We'll call this the base of mouse. And then I'll go to File, Save As, and this one will be named Sides of Mouse. And here I'll edit the delete body, and instead we'll include the base and we'll deselect the sides. And then File, Save As. Save this one as mouse buttons. Edit the delete feature. Select, deselect, save, and then save as, and we'll call this one mouse wheel. Edit here. Select, deselect, and save. And then I'll create the assembly. Get rid of these two. Browse to select the rest of them. Click, 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 click. See, I've made a mistake here. It's good for you to see me make mistakes because that means that you'll learn how to fix the mistakes as well as I do. What I've done here is I saved one at the wrong time. And let's see which one is incorrect. Let's open the sides of the mouse because when I click on this one, nothing shows up. Open the part And the sides of mouse surely is showing the wrong part. I'll edit this. Select and deselect. And Control S to save. Control Tab to move back to the assembly. And now I've got the sides of mouse, the mouse wheel, the mouse buttons, and the mouse base. Now, I will grant you that that method took a lot longer than any of the other methods, but it's more flexible and it's much more powerful. So unless you're sure that you're using a technique that really doesn't need the power or the speed matters to you more than the power, I would recommend to you to use the insert part, and we'll save this assembly with that name.